Hello and welcome to Solve Such classes. Today we are going to solve some questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quantitative aptitude is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and this portion needs only your quantitative aptitude ability, that is quanting ability and numerical ability. So to solve huge amount of questions in small time, the most needed portion is to develop your quanting ability. And how can we develop that? By more practice and by memorizing some of the formulas, you can able to perform well in this portion. And this portion hike your marks in any competitive examination. So let's start with the first one. That is the breakup of Raju's monthly expense is given here. His monthly expense on transport is 8% of his total expenditure, 8% of his total income. In food, he spends 22%. In education, he spends 20%. In rent, he spends 15%, and 35% spends in other portions. Now we have to find that if Raju spent 20% of his expenditure on others on entertainment, the amounted to 2100. Now we have to find the expenditure on education. Okay. Now expenditure on entertainment is 20% of 35%, and it is nothing but 7%. And given by the question, this is equals to 2100. Therefore, from this we can say that 1% is equals to 300. Okay. Hence, expenditure on education is expenditure on education is 20%, and therefore we can say that 300 multiplied by 20, which results in 6000. Okay. Now come to the next portion. Find the angle made by the expenditure on rent and others put together. That is, we need to find this angle. How can we find it? Let's see. The total expenditure on rent and other is 15% plus 35%. Total expenditure on rent and others is equals to 15% plus 35%, which results in 50%. Therefore, the required angle of ours is equals to 50% multiplied by 360 degree, which results in 180 degree. So the required answer will be 180. And for the first question, the required answer is the option 5, which is 6000. Okay. So we have solved the two questions, and that's all for today. To know more about quantitative aptitude, you can call us at 98367 9836793076 or 9874822756, or you just can check our website also, which is www.rssclasses.com. Okay, thank you very much.